This was when the lights was on, but it went completely dark. All lights off, no sound. I mean, such a huge international crusade. And we were standing at the platform for about half an hour. And I remember Pastor Kayanja just kept on ministering, speaking to us, encouraging us as loud as he could. Then something happened where you can see the power of God, which I'm going to show you in the next clip. People started singing, and they started singing from the back of the crusade, which was way back. I think 250,000 plus people, way back near like where I was staying, the house further down there. And they put their cell phone lights on. And it became so bright that it looked like there was light. And they were singing this song. I'll just show you that clip. This is the clip which is there now. Just after this, there was an outage for about 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, this is when people were now sleeping. And we were right there, right there.